All right, this is a quick demo of the KR403 Kiosk printer. We're going to show the operation and performance. This has a 6-inch outer diameter roll available inside this case that we've got here. We'll be integrating this printer into our EDC series turnstiles, but the printer for demonstration purposes is allowing us to show you the performance. So let's go ahead and send 4 seat locators or receipts, tickets if you will, in a batch all at once. We're going to send all 4 of them to the printer, and we're going to time this. There's the first one. It holds each one, prints the next one immediately when you pull it out. So as you can see, that took about 10 seconds to print these 4 tickets. And in terms of printing 1 or 2 or 3, it's not really going to matter in terms of the print speed. If something is jammed in the printer, you can reload the paper and it'll resume where it left off in the middle of a batch. And we will also have some code for error recovery in that regard too. Let's send one more batch to the printer. So what it's doing is looping. It's printing everything completely and cutting it before it presents the ticket. There's a motor assist. When you pull it out, it rushes it out and starts printing the next one. These are all queued up here. A lot better than tickets falling on the ground or having to drop into a tray. All right, real quickly, let me show you inside this enclosure. And you'll notice the roll of direct thermal paper. This is, I believe, around 650 feet, this particular roll, at a 6-inch outer diameter and 1-inch core with the higher quality direct thermal stock. I wanted to show the operation of the printer. In kiosk mode, it actually prints it, loops it up, doesn't let it come out of the printer, and then cuts it, then presents it through a motorized presenter at the end. So let's go ahead and print a ticket here. Notice it looped up, then immediately presented it. The sensor detects when it's out. I didn't send a second ticket. Let's do it again. This time let's send 1. And I've actually sent a second ticket to the printer. So it should print that next one when I pull this one out. And so that's from an operational standpoint how the printer would work. We are not necessarily going to mount it horizontally. It gives us a lot of choices in terms of how we can integrate it. Whether the ticket is presented by printing it up or horizontally or vertically, we've got a lot of choices there, and we can share some of our designs when we get to that point. All right, so that's our demonstration. The Zebra KR403 Kiosk printer that we plan to consider integrating into our turnstiles.